Hi there, welcome to this Master Reviews and Tutorials video. Today we're going to show you how to take this front door panel off. This is on an X4, but it's exactly the same on an X3. To start with, we've got 5 screws to get undone. We've got 2 down underneath here. You see those there? They're T20 screws. There's one in behind the speaker here we need to get to. Need to get out is in here. We're just going to slide out this little bit of plastic in here. That'll expose another screw, and then we'll be able to get the door card out. So here we go. We've pulled out the little slide that comes just vertically straight up from there. And as you can see, there's the screw right there and right there for 2 more. On the other side of the car, driver's side in Europe and America, then you take the front cover off there. It just comes off, and there's screws underneath it. You need to get that off. So we just zip all these screws out and then be clipping the panel off. The next stage is to get this little speaker grill out. I've just got this little guy that's actually out of an iPhone repair kit, but we're going to get in and under here and work that to get it out. There we go. Just work those out. Again, don't use anything metal on that. But there we go, that's out. There's the speaker in behind, and there's the screw that we need to get to right there. And then we just unplug this, because that's gonna need to come out in order for this trim to come off. So that's it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. So we'll take that one out, and then we'll start to just unclip this panel forward. You just need to flex it forward again. Nothing metal, because you don't want to damage this painted surface. Here we go, we're under, and just needs to be worked around and pop these off all the way. Once it's started, you can just work it with your fingers. You get one that's tight. Again, you should have a trim removal tool. I'm actually using just a bamboo. Okay, so the action is not up to get that out. You can tell there's a bit of a ridge here that goes under, but it's straight out. You see these clips along here, that releases outwards. And then just be careful of the wires we've got going in here. There's one going into that speaker right there. Needs to be taken out. We've got the button there. There, the button's out. We've got a connector here. That's a cable. We clip that out and then lift and slip that off. There we go, that one's off. And then we've got a loom cable here and a cable there. There's lots of cables. This one's got buttons on the ends, so that should come up and out. Here it comes. There's little press buttons on the end. Now we've got that blue one. It'll be the same as this. If it doesn't come straight out, I'll grab some pliers to grab that one. Get all these cables attached, and I'd be taking photos of the inside so you can, or watch this video so you can see where they all go and where they all reattach. You've got to bring that one right around and unhook it all the way around, and then unplug these 2 here. We've got this one up here, needs to be unwound from there and unplugged out of there, like that little contact point. Again, when you're getting these plugs out, there's normally a little button you need to press. Okay, so there's a blue and black wire here which runs back to this other speaker. It's from the speaker to the tweeter. I wouldn't even waste my time trying to get these blue wires out here. I have managed to break the top off. It's still all connected, but I cannot get those off. Up here, we can actually just lever back this lever and get the tweeter out like that. This here, just need to give that a gentle lever backwards, and then the tweeter pops out, and that disconnects that wire, that troublesome one. And it's magnetic. Yeah, it's magnetic enough to hang onto the door there. So now, 1 wire left. So we're just grabbing that on top and wiggle, just squeezing that in, and she comes out. See the nice big long plug. That's out. We can probably put that back in the same direction it was facing, which is that way. 1 more plug here. There we go. Grabbing these on the side, we can flex that off. You see the little LED that's on there. That's another one off. I'm going to need the film. You see that shines onto there, and then it uses optics to send that light through into the door pocket here. we'll clip that back in place. That is it. The door panel is now off. Gosh, that was a lot of mucking around with electrical plugs to get it off.